Can you tug it there? Rip, rip, rip. Oh. Here, I'll stand it up. Keep ripping.
Oh, is that Tracy?
Keep going. Keep going.
Aunt Julie wrapped it.
Excuse me, stop. Don't put the
I said it was tape. It's a 3-year-old.
Keep going and going. Spread it up.
picks on me all the time. Like,
I love it. Don't believe it.
You're starting to get there. Here's mine.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
nice.
Wow. What is it? You don't even know what it is, do you? It's big.
oh, fun!
Oh, that is way cool.
So you and Caleb are making it tonight.
This will be a kitchen-only toy.
You're no fun, Mommy.
Oh, what's all that noise? Oh, what's all that noise? Oh,
Tracy, grab him. He's so
Well,
cute.
if we, honey, if we play our cards right, we can get rid of the carpet before we buy the house.
Yeah, right? Oh.
I don't know anybody.
Oh.
Two more. Come here, please. Oh, okay. All right, here. What's in there? What's that? A camera. That's your very own camera, buddy.
Cool. I can only imagine the pictures that Good, how are you?
Good.
What's the matter,
I
Pumpkin?
got a mouthful of green pepper.
You okay?
All right. Him happy.
Look what she's got. She's got a camera.
Wow.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Does that make you happy?
Does that make you happy?
All right, babe. Last one, and then you can go play, okay? And then we'll do your cake. Oh.